Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to an unboxing video. Yes, finally had time to make an unboxing video. This box is a box of Christmas items that I ordered from Jessica Rapp's live sale a few weeks ago. And yeah, it's in, what is it? It's a medium flat rate box, right? She had a bunch of Christmas stuff, and I'm really into Christmas right now. So I said, yes, I want it. I want it to be mine. So let's get into it. I purchased this for $30 on her live sale, and then, of course, plus shipping. Okay. Totally worth it. So if you have not checked out Jessica Rapp in general, check her out. She is Jessica Rapp, and of course I will leave her link below. And she does live streams, she does live sales, she does videos on YouTube, and she also has a junk journal Facebook group called Junk Journal Connections, which is a really super fabulous group. So let's get into this, okay? Let me scoot it aside. And actually, okay, I'm gonna go like this. All right, wait, we don't need that. Okay, let me see if, I'm here. Okay, stuff is popping out everywhere. All right, there's another little thing down here. Okay, I think that's it. So let's scoot this up. Oh, look at all that luscious goodness. Okay, so we're just gonna go through it quickly, shall we? So let's see, she added these in here. Super adorable. They're like little Santa Claus jingle bells. How adorable are those? And they will look great on a dangle. So there's that. And then it's just a conglomeration of Christmas stuff. And so when I saw it, I had to have it. This is a vintage, it looks like a postcard, although it doesn't say postcard, but look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Okay. A little one of these books, a Rand McNally. So adorable. And it's like blue, so I can actually make a little blue book out of this. Some of the things have been cut. Oh, this has been cut. No biggie. So adorable. Okay, so she sent me that. This, oh my gosh, look at these adorable things. Okay, these are, it's vintage, obviously, and it's a whole bunch of these little like Christmas seals, right? These are adorable. Ooh, they smell old. Oh, and little vintage to from things. So adorable. I love this packaging too. This would go great in a journal. It smells like my grandma's house. So how adorable is that, right? Okay, here is a pad of note paper, which I love. I mean, I will put it in a journal, but I will also use it in my journal. And then these are just, oh, look, that's been written in. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and a little greetings. Yeah. A vintage, I don't think there are any years on any of these, but a vintage card. So these would be great in a journal. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, another. Okay. This is adorable. This is the first time. Oh, and it's written on. So cute. That's adorable. That is adorable. Excuse the fingerprints. There are fingerprints on here. Their fingerprints. Isn't that funny? Maybe. I don't know. This is so cute. I don't know. Oh, no, it's a Hallmark card. That's adorable. Okay, anyway, let's move on here. Lots of vintage Christmas cards. And I love it when they're written in. I think that just makes it, you know. Another vintage Christmas card written in. Oh. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable that is. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. These things are going to look so fabulous in a journal. There's another one. More note paper, which I love. More note paper. Again, love it. More vintage cards. Yeah, did I say this is like the first time I'm going through each individual thing? More, oh my gosh, I love the paper is just fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. And then here's some more. These look like, oh, maybe she made these. She either made them, maybe. Yeah, maybe Jessica made these herself with like some masking. Noelle, pretty, pretty, pretty. Cute. Or her mom might have made them. Maybe her mom made them. Here's some really cute like note cards and envelopes. That's adorable, huh? This looks vintagey. More cards. I love putting cards into my journals. I really do. And you can use the envelopes as well. More cards. Please, Jack, don't. More cards. That would go fabulously in my blue journal. Oh, that's cute. It's like corrugated cardboard. Fun. So let's scoot this over. These are all card. Well, no, they're not. So there's another card. Note paper. Gotta love it. These are cards, more you know, recent cards, not vintage. Another card. Let's put those over there. More cards. Lots of cards. She had a lot of cards. Love the cardinal. That's interesting. This must be, huh. It's just a card. Cute. Little penguins. More cards. That's so pretty with a little, like, what is that? A chickadee, maybe? Lovely cardinals. Aw, so cute. I love these. Oh, here's some more vintage ones. That would look great in the blue one, too. Some envelopes with little pine cones on them. So cute. Oh, more note paper. These are so adorable. More note paper. More note paper. Love the note paper. And some of this note paper is actually going to go in my Fibonacci, I'm sure, during the Christmas season. More little note papers. So cute. Some envelopes. More cards. Super cute. Cards are just so much fun to use, as are the envelopes. More of these little note cards. Oh, these are envelopes. Yeah? Oh, how cute are those? Those are adorable. They would look great. Ooh, that's a colorful one. Oh, so cute. Oh, and a little Rudolph golden book. Yay. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to definitely be making a book out of that. Okay, so now let's get to this beautiful fabric. Christmassy colored fabric. I hope you can see that. It's like in reds and browns and greens. Beautiful. This is lovely. This, I don't even know what it's called. It's like stretchy. But what a pretty pattern, huh? If I can show you. Look at that, like paisleys and stuff. Or, yeah, that's gorgeous. That would look very nice on the side of, you know, a spine. And then here's some more like definite, you know, obvious Christmas, right? So cute. These look like square or quilt blocks that somebody had made and didn't use. Those are super cute. And these would look cute as, well, you can make like little pockets out of them or whatever. So cute. Let's see. Ooh, I like that one. That's so pretty. Yeah, these are like either, well, it looks like I said, yeah, somebody must have like cut these out for a quilt and then ended up not using them, because I can see where they drew the lines on it. That's cute. Lots of cute fabric. Aw, peanuts, Christmas. That would be pretty in a blue journal. That's pretty. All of these are just beautiful. Aw, little kitties. So cute. And look at that. Yeah, you can make like all kinds of things with this. And you can even do a patchwork or make like a, what's that thing called? Like that she makes a snippet roll for the spine. You can do that and just cut little pieces and attach them all together. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Woo! That is lovely. This is a vintage hanky. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. All of this for $30, guys. If you have not been to one of Jessica's live sales, you need to go. Look at that. That's beautiful. That would make some beautiful spines, let me tell you. And it's nice and thick. Nice thick fabric. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, some trim, some gold. I don't know if it's picking up the gold, but it's shimmery, shimmery lace. That's beautiful. Here's some plaid. Very nice. This would look cute too. Like little Christmas trees, you know, modern-ish with like some gold on it. Though this would make good spine material too. Lovely. Ooh, a vintage. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can open this to show you. Oh, what is this? This is like round. Oh, look at that. I hope you can see that. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely stunning. That is so beautiful. I don't even know if I could cut this up. I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll have to see. But it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sorry, I'm flipping all this stuff around. Okay, so that's the part of the fabric. Fun, fun. And then let's see in here. Oh, these are like a bunch of different tags and little things that she sent. Sorry for the noise. Let me just put the bag over here. Get this stuff out of the way. Okay, so like little tags. Those are adorable, right? Little stamped images. Oh, these are upside down. So there you go. Just for you. More little ornament. These would make great tuck spots in a journal, just saying. These are fabulous. These she must have embossed. Season's Greetings. Those are so pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. These are just, oh, these are things that she must have stamped or had in her stash. These are adorable. You can embellish the around the edges and stuff and make little tuck spots. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. More ornaments. So fun. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and I'm going to share this stuff with my crafty bestie because she's coming over after Thanksgiving, after the week of Thanksgiving. And we're going to work together on some books. And then here are just, these are just little journaling spots. So I could decorate this up with things, something. Put little somethings on them. So cute. Let's see, is this stuck? Oh, it's like a little card. Oh, but it's stuck to that. Okay. Yes, okay, so it's a little card that goes like this. Oh, it's made out of a file folder. How cute is that, right? So I could decorate it and then it's a little journaling spot. Love that. I do believe these are things that she's made. Like, does this open? No. So these are like, this feels like watercolor paper. So she must have embossed. Very cute. Very cute. Oh, I like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty colored papers. Oh, I love that one. That is gorgeous. Yes, it is. And look at that with the snowflakes. So pretty. Yeah, so that was all in it. And then this, let's see what this stuff here is. She sent me some like tassels and trims and stuff so I can do something with these cute little things. Use the cording for a tie or put this as a little, well, it's not a little, but put it as a dangle perhaps, who knows. And then this cute little cording here, so adorable. Love that. So that was included. And then some music text, which, I mean, who doesn't like music text? Beautiful. So fun, fun. And then some wrapping paper, which would go fabulously in a blue journal for Christmas. And then these are like little workbook sheets. Those are always super fun to put in, to add in. So a bunch of those Christmas themed. Well, obviously, I mean, the whole thing is Christmas themed. So a bunch of those like coloring pages, super cute. And then just some stationery, Christmas stationery. And then this also came with it. Saturday Evening Post. And the illustrations are, of course, by Norman Rockwell. So look at that book. Sorry for the glare. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. I would have to, let me try to straighten it out here. I would have to see, let's see, third printing 1978. Sorry for the glare, geez. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Now I'm fairly certain, yeah, these appear to be sewn in. I'm really sorry if there's a lot of glare. That's so cute. So I could probably, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I could probably take the sewing out, the stitching out, and then just lift the whole thing out. That's gorgeous there. So yeah, this whole book. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and some music stuff. And it's glossy. It's, well, as you can tell by the glare. But super duper pictures. Beautiful, beautiful pictures that I can use in a journal. That kid, I'm sorry, but he looks a bit creepy. So cute. Yeah, so this book came with it as well. Look at the postman. Oh. Just beautiful, beautiful. In mint condition, this book is, I'll tell you. So beautiful. Like, I could cut this out here and mount it on something and then use it as a tuck spot. So nice. So nice. Oh. So cute. Yeah. So, let's not glare, you guys. So sorry, golly day. So yeah, so many cute things. So this, again, this came from Jessica Rapp's live sale, and so many awesome Christmas goodies. Let's scoot this over. Even a book, a golden book, and tassels and vintage stuff and non-vintage stuff and just Christmas goodness. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, like I said, like 3 times now, if you haven't been to Jessica Rapp's YouTube channel, head on over there because you're gonna love it. And also check out her Facebook group, which is Junk Journal Connections, and because it's a super fun group. And yeah, check out her live sales, check out her live sessions. They're super duper fun, and she is so creative. So thank you, Jessica. If you're watching this, I love every bit of it, and I cannot wait to dive into it and make some beautiful journals out of all this goodness. So thank you all again for sharing your time with me, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.